Hi, my name's Connie. I am doing the low carbon heating technician apprenticeship. I'm now in my second year and I'm aiming to become a fully qualified heating engineer because I want to start my own company as a woman in the trade. I knew I wanted to do something hands-on when I was probably about 16 years old, and I went to a trades college and I sort of said to them that I'm interested in getting involved in the trades, and they sort of turned me away. They sort of said, look, we can't be held accountable for anything that we said to you, and that struck something in me to sort of motivate me to then even go further and prove them that yeah, I can do that. I did my A-levels, I got 3 A-levels, completely different to what I'm doing now. Did really well and everyone was like, you're university smart, go to university, and I was like, no, I still want to go into the trades. And then I looked into how plumbing was going more towards renewables. So when I saw that heating engineering was the next best thing, I put out a post on LinkedIn and it got shared by absolutely everybody. I started a LinkedIn account when I first got started on the tools. I thought that was quite good because I managed to reach out to people that I thought were big in the industry and then sort of be introduced to others. NOCN have been brilliant for me. Resharing, inviting me to events has been a really cool thing to then also share on social media, getting everyone's name out there, my company, other companies. I think that is like a good representation of actually how site works. The company I'm with now, which is Vito Energy, they got in touch with me, had an interview, got offered the job pretty much on the spot, and then we started looking for a course, and NOCN was the only course that was running based around the renewables sort of aspects, because otherwise you have to do a plumbing course and then you have to do courses on top of that to become a qualified heating engineer. So having this course at my sort of age is really, really cool to be able to just say by the time I'm 21, I'm going to be a fully qualified heating engineer. I piped up my first cylinder on my own the other day and was able to pressure test that and turn it on. And it might not seem like a big deal for someone that doesn't really know what's going on, but that's like a basic that you do in every household that is quite a big thing. And then now I can say, oh, I can pipe up my own cylinder without help is really beneficial. And saying that only halfway through my second year is a massive, massive deal. I started a TikTok account not so long ago called Heating Honey, which has completely blown up. Being able to show people what I do at work, people really enjoy that, and because it's a new thing and I'm also a woman, has become really appealing. And I mean, I've had messages from women on the account where I've then guided them to my LinkedIn, where I put out a post on LinkedIn asking if anyone was hiring apprentices. But I just hope that it inspires more young women to get involved, because again, I've never been on a site and met another woman. The only place that I am with women on site or in a site environment is at college, where I have the girls in my course. I'd say just go for it and give it everything, because at the end of the day, you're doing it for yourself. This is for your future. And being able to, again, go on site and be more hands-on and have the bigger tasks put in front of you straight away, I think that that's something that you should take with pride and take joy in your work, because at the end of the day, that you want to be able to have fun doing it. And I think that's really important.